we at, David?
We're at the bathroom.
Why?
Because Daddy's sink is clogged.
Yeah, and the drain plug is missing.
Yes.
Turn on the water so we can see that it's clogged. Turn it on all the way. Look at that. It just fills up and it doesn't go down and it's all yucky inside.
Yeah, see? Look.
And it's so nasty inside. So we're going to fix the sink today and what's this?
New water sink.
A new drain plug. So we got to take the pipes out and replace the drain plug.
Yeah, we had to turn off the water bill.
So let's get started. Ready? Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
David, what's the first step?
Take all the things out.
We're going to take everything out of here. We got lots of stuff. And we're going to move it all out. We're going to put it in a nice neat pile.
However, take this out and this.
Bless you. All right, so where are we at, David?
So clean up the tools and clean up the things. Now we're ready to start.
Yep, we cleaned everything out from the sink. And we have this big mess, so we're gonna have to organize everything afterwards. We have all of our tools that we'll need to make this fix.
Yeah.
All right, David, so here the first step is, hi there, we have to take the trap. This is called the trap. We have to take it off and clean out everything inside there. And the first step to that is we have to put a bucket under it so we don't get water everywhere. So here I have a bucket. And I just stick the bucket under there, like that. And then we're gonna twist that
Do
off.
you see what's inside?
Nothing yet. Twist it off. So David is twisting that off, and we'll get it all off. Clean the pipes out. See, that's a big help. All right. Let's twist this other one out here too on the bottom.
Ew!
It smells, yeah, because the trap keeps all the gases away, so we don't smell all the gases. So when we get this off, we'll stick something in there so we don't smell it. There we go. Look at all that yucky stuff, David. All right, let's get out of there. It's stinky. Let's get something to make the smell go. So with the trap off, the sewer gases are coming, so we put a paper towel in there so we don't have to smell it.
Drain plug.
What am I taking off?
Drain plug.
You have to take off this old drain here. You have to detach all that, and I'll take care of all that, David.
Oh.
All right.
You have to take the thing off.
Now I need these. Oh. Get on up here. Right up here. This thing. Gotta screw this off. And as I screw this off, and then I'll be able to take this off the sink.
Now we have to take this piece off.
And almost all the way off. There we go, got that off. So now we come up here, look up here, David. And we gotta take the old drain out. Can you do that for us?
Yeah.
So the best way to get it out is to just push up. Whoa, whoa, push up on that. You push it up, push it up. He pushes it up, I reach for it, and we got the old drain out. Now we just have a hole in our sink. A hole because you all the way down into the sink, and there's all the other pieces that we took out. So now, David, we have the new drain plug. Let's open it up and see what's inside of it.
A new drain plug.
So,
Oh, you put it right here.
all the pieces. This is that big piece I took out. And in the back, you have a drain plug here. This is called plumber's putty. We have to put it around here so it doesn't leak. All right. I'm gonna get started on that. Here is the plumber's putty. I gotta put it into like a little snake.
I need to put it. I want to put it. Can I put it in?
You want to try to roll it into a snake? You have to wash your hands when you're done. So we're gonna make that a big snake, and then we put it in a circle around the new drain. Yep, now put it in a circle. You might not. All right, David, so now take it, and you're gonna put it in a circle around the drain. Just right around the edge. Can you do that? Circle that, Daddy, help you a little bit, like this. Put it like a circle. You rolled it, so we're gonna have to cut that piece off. Hold on a second. So put that in a ring. Push it a little bit. You're gonna get a lot of extra squishing out when I tighten it. This is going to keep the water from leaking. So here's the new drain. David, you want to stick it in there?
Yeah.
Put it in there. And you push it around the putty a little bit. Whoa, careful. So we're going to push it around the edge. And then, when I tighten it on the bottom, it's going to squish out the putty and we'll have to take the extra putty out. David's going to twist this tight. Twist it, twist it. And keep going as tight as you can make it. Almost. There you go. Now as he did this, the plumber putty squirted out. So we're going to tighten it some more.
See? How the plumber?
We don't need any more plumber's putty. Now let's get back in there. We have another piece. Now we have to tighten this piece up. Yes.
How long does this putty take to dry?
I don't know. It doesn't really get dry. It just stays like that. So as we tighten it and tighten it and tighten it, that putty squirted out. Now David's going to go ahead and peel that out of there. And all the other stuff is in the middle to keep the water from draining. The next step, David has to put this in here and screw it on there. So David, can you go ahead and screw that on there? Because that stick is going to help us open and close the drain. So go ahead and screw that on there, David. This part right here. Twist that part. No, stop. So for the next step, David is twisting it. You twist it the wrong way.
Sorry.
I'll get it started again. And next time, twist backwards. But anyway, this little stick lets us open and close the drain once it's all set up. Alright, so I'm gonna try this again. David's gonna twist it the other way and get it nice and tight. Because you don't want the other way, there you go. Because we don't want the water squirting out of the back. Put it as tight as you can get it. Is that as tight as you can get it? And the next step, and the last step for the drain plug, we have to connect this onto the stick here, and that has to connect all the way up to that stick there. So I'll do it together and show what it looks like. Now I put that little piece in, and now when you pull on the lever, it opens and closes the drain. That's how that works. No, we have to go clean out all these old pipes that were in the trap. And this is Daddy's hand. David can't touch this. And I gotta clean all this out with a hose and then put the trap all back together. I don't want David to touch it because that's nasty. So we're gonna go get that taken care of. Alright, so here are all the dirty pipes. I'm gonna take this piece out, put it by the hose. Then, can you know how we're gonna do this? I gotta turn the hose on and clean it, but I have nothing to hold it with. I'm holding the camera with one hand.
Oh, I can hold it.
Don't get your socks wet. What are you gonna hold? The camera? Can you hold the camera and point at the hose? Let's see if David can do this first film. Point at the hose. Turn the hose on. Don't want to get you wet. Hold it. Pointing at the hose or the ground? See all the yuckies coming out of that? Okay, well look at the hose getting clean.
Yeah, look at that. That's cool.
Point it and show the garbage. Right here. You see it? All that was clogging it up. Yuck. Let's get another piece. Now gotta be careful because this will spray you anywhere. See how it shaped that way? See how yucky that is?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we have all the pieces. That piece is going to go lower than that. This piece comes first. And we're going to build it down and we're going to save this piece for last because when we take that paper towel out, it's going to get all stinky. Alright, so let's get started. So we got this piece in. Next we got to put this trap. This is a trap piece in. So we're going to twist that on there.
Now we have
0 more pieces.
Yeah.
Look here, we gotta attach this piece. I already stuck this piece into the wall. So now I have to attach this piece to that piece and it'll be all done and then we'll test it out, make sure it doesn't leak. Now we have everything together. David is gonna turn on the water and then let it run, make sure it's not leaking. Can you reach it? You don't have to get all the way on the counter.
That's
Be careful. It's gonna turn it on. I'm gonna check down here. It looks like it's not leaking anywhere. That's good. And then we have the new drain plug that I can close it like that. And let the sink fill up. And then we're gonna clean it up and we'll be all set.
It's about to overflow.
Did we do a good job, David?
How is it going to go through here?
Well, that's a good question. If it gets too high, the sink has what's called an overflow valve on the back of it. You should check your sink at home. Sometimes they have this. And that means if this gets too full, it'll go into here. There's it into here. And that lets it come down through the back of the sink and drain into the drain without making a leak. So I'm looking here, I'm listening. All right, put the drain plug down. Push the drain down. Because I want to see if that it drains, it doesn't leak. So there. I hear it going fast. I'm looking down here. I can hear the water, but I don't see the water. So it looks like we have a job well done.
It's raining in the water.
Good job, David. All right. Yeah, but do you know the one job we have left is?
No.
After lunch, we got to clean up our mess and put it all back in there nice and neat.
Yeah.
All right, but let's take a lunch break, all right? Lunch break. So David wanted to test the overflow drain. So we're going to let it fill up and go right into the overflow drain right there. Sink starts filling up, it goes over, and it's falling in right there right now, so it goes into the overflow drain. And it comes down right here. It goes into the drain.
Oh, still up here.
Yep, that way we don't overflow here. That way we don't overflow the sink.
Look, it's going here.
Oh, well, it's not going to go any higher than that. And there's some hair on there, yuck. I'm letting the whole world know that even though we keep our house clean, sometimes things are dirty.
Do I have this?
That'll never overflow. It'll keep going over and over. And it just goes down here, and we do have a little leak, I see. So Daddy's going to have to take some time to find out. I think it's coming from up here, so I'm going to have to figure that out. But we do have a little leak. We'll fix it. I'm looking to see. I see one drop of water. I see a drip of water right here. But I'm not sure where it's coming from. So I'm going to have to get a paper towel and feel around and feel where that leak's coming from and tighten something up.
Go.
Just one drop though.
Can you get me back?
Draining down. So David, push that down. I'm going to go under and see if I can find where it's leaking at. So I'm going to come under here and see if I can tell where it's leaking from. The camera. Oh, I see it dripping there. I see it dripping there, but I'm not sure where it's coming from. There, yep, I was right. It's coming from right there. So I have to tighten that piece up. So we are leaking from that spot right there, and I was looking around and I found that when David dropped it, this piece fell out. So I'm going to take that apart and put it back.
Hope you enjoyed this video. What's inside? It's me, David. I really want 1 million subscribers, but I can't do that without your help. Please click here to subscribe. Be sure to watch all these videos. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.